Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be washing Areielle's hair with the Just For Me Curls piece. This is their shampoo and conditioner. Okay guys, I did not know that she was asleep while I was washing her hair. But she's a good baby. She never cries when she gets her hair washed. As you can see, she's looked like she's enjoying it even though she's asleep. So since she's 8 months, I find it easier and quicker to add the conditioner in while the shampoo is still in. It's like a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner because I find it faster. As you can see, she woke up. Now she's actually trying to help me wash her hair. So I rinsed her hair off camera. So guys, this is the 5-in-1 Wonder Spray. It detangles, it's a heat protectant, it reduces frizz, and it adds shine. Right here, I'm just giving her an ear-to-ear part. As you can see, she hates getting her hair parted. So this took me a minute to actually get it straight. But then again, she's an infant, so it doesn't have to be that straight, being as though you know she can't keep still and all. So I was able to get the part straight up top. Now in the back, I'm just going to be parting straight down the middle. So now I'm using the Detangling Treatment. It's for children that are tender-headed, but I'm not sure if Areielle is tender-headed. I just like it because it's easier for me to part and come through without irritating her. Once getting the part straight, I am using a rubber band. These are the little colorful rubber bands, and I found them at my local Walmart. I believe they were $1. So once I finish putting in the rubber band on the bottom portion, I move up like an inch, and I'm going to part going straight across again. But this time I'm going to split that into 2 parts, and the 2 strands, you see how I like separated in the back rubber band, I'm going to connect each part to a rubber band over top of it. I hope that makes sense. And then with this last piece, I'm going to part it going straight down again. And then I'm going to connect the other 2 pieces to the ones above it. This is me doing the other side, and I'm going to speed through this because it's just a repeat of what I did to the other side. So I finished with the back, and what I did with the top was comb all of it into one, and then I finished it off with the rubber band, and then I added a bow wrap. So I end up taking the bow wrap off because I remember that Areielle's in daycare and they are not allowed to wear bow wraps or beads to school due to it being a choking hazard. So what I did was finished it off with the rubber band, and then I twisted it down as you see in the video. So lastly, I used the smoothing ponytail and edge control for her edges. I just used a dab and then I swoop it around her edges and brush it back to give it a little neat finished look. And this is the finished product, you guys. If you love it, please like and subscribe to my channel, leave comments, share, do all those great things. And I promise I will post more videos of me styling baby Areielle's hair.